Ruby, something is wrong this morning.
What do you mean, Ben? What is wrong?
Mom and Dad are not talking to each other.
You're right. It's so quiet.
Dad said good morning. Mom didn't answer him.
And Mom made breakfast. And Mom made breakfast only for us. Maybe they had a little fight last night.
Not for Dad? That's really strange, Ruby. A fight? Mom and Dad never fight, Ruby.
Everybody fights sometimes, Ben. Even parents.
I don't like this quiet. It feels scary.
Me neither. Let's find out what happened.
Mom, are you okay this morning?
I'm fine, Ben. Eat your breakfast.
You look sad, Mom. Did something happen?
It's nothing, sweetheart. Don't worry about it.
But you didn't say good morning to Dad.
I didn't feel like it today, Ben.
Are you angry with Dad, Mom?
A little, Ben. But it's a grown-up thing.
Okay, Mom, but I don't like when it's quiet.
I know, my love. I know.
Mom is sad, Ruby.
I saw a tear in her eye. This is serious, Ben. We have to help them.
But we don't even know why they are upset.
Let's look for a clue, like detectives. Quiet, Ben. Let's just look around carefully.
Good idea! Detectives Ben and Ruby are on the case. Ruby, look at the calendar on the wall.
The calendar? What about it, Ben?
There's a red heart drawn on today's date.
A red heart? Let me see it closely.
What does a red heart mean, Ruby?
Ben, today is a special day.
A special day? What special day is it?
It's Mom and Dad's wedding anniversary.
Their anniversary? The day they got married?
Yes, and I think Dad forgot all about it. Mom thinks Dad doesn't care anymore.
That's why Mom is so sad and quiet. But Dad loves Mom. He must have just forgotten.
We have to fix this, Ben. Today, right now. Dad, can I ask you something important?
Of course, Ruby. What is it?
Do you know what today is, Dad?
Today? It's just a normal day.
Are you sure, Dad? Nothing special at all?
Nothing special, Ruby. Why do you ask? I have to go out for a while.
No reason, Dad. No reason. Go out? Where are you going, Dad?
Just a small errand. I'll be back soon.
Dad left the house, Ruby. He just walked away.
On their anniversary? On their anniversary? This is getting worse. Poor Mom. She's all alone and sad downstairs. Then W will make today special for her. Us?
But we're just kids, Ruby. What can we do?
What can we do? We can do a lot, Ben. Listen to my plan. First, we make a beautiful card for Mom.
Okay, I love plans. What do we do first? I can draw. I'll draw Mom and Dad holding hands.
Perfect. Then we decorate the living room.
With what?
We don't have balloons or anything. We'll use paper hearts. We can make them ourselves.
Paper hearts! I'll cut 100 of them.
Maybe just 10, Ben. Let's start now.
This is the best mission ever, Ruby.
Ben? Ruby? What are you two doing in here?
Nothing, Mom. It's a surprise.
A surprise? What kind of surprise, sweetheart?
I can't tell you. That's why it's a surprise. You smiled, Mom. I made you smile.
You are funny, Ben.
Just wait, Mom. Today will get better. I promise.
I promise. You have such a sweet heart, Ben.
Now please close your eyes and don't peek.
Okay, I won't peek.
Dad, you're back. Where did you go?
Shh, Ben.
What are you hiding behind your back, Dad?
Can you keep a big secret, Ben?
Yes, I love secrets. Show me, Dad.
These are for your mother.
Flowers! Red flowers! They're beautiful!
And look, I also bought her favorite cake.
Dad, you didn't forget the anniversary.
Forget it? Of course not, Ben.
But Mom thinks you forgot. She's so sad.
Sad? Oh no. Is that why she's quiet?
Yes, she thinks you don't care anymore.
I went out to buy her surprise secretly.
And Mom thought you didn't even remember.
Oh, my poor Lily. It was all a mistake.
It's a misunderstanding, Dad. A big one.
Then let's fix it right now, Ben. Ben. Together.
And wait until you see what me and Ruby made.
Dad, you brought flowers and a cake.
I did, Ruby. And look what you both made.
We made paper hearts and a card for Mom.
It's beautiful, Ruby. She will love it so much.
Dad, Mom really thought you forgot today.
I know now. I'm gonna make it right, Ruby.
Should I bring Mom over now, Dad?
Yes, Ruby. But make sure her eyes stay closed.
Okay, Dad. This is going to be wonderful. Hurry, Ruby. Everything is ready now.
Okay, Mom, you can open your eyes now.
Oh my goodness.
Happy anniversary, my dear Lily.
Leo, I thought you forgot.
I could never forget the best day of my life.
But this morning, you said nothing at all.
Because I was planning a secret surprise for you.
And I was angry over a misunderstanding.
We both made a small mistake, my love.
These flowers are beautiful.
And me and Ruby made the hearts, Mom.
My sweet children did all of this?
We didn't want you to be sad, Mom.
I have the most wonderful family.
We're sorry, Lily. All of us.
Don't be sorry. This is the best surprise ever.
Mom, can we eat the cake now, please?
Yes, Ben. Let's all eat together.
This is the happiest anniversary ever!
And nobody is quiet or sad anymore.
All because two little detectives saved the day.
We are good detectives. I told you, Ruby.
Okay, Ben, you were right this time. Can we be detectives again tomorrow?
Let's just enjoy today first, Ben.
Lily, I promise to never confuse you again.
and I promise to ask before I get upset.
Grown-ups say sorry too? That's good to know.
Yes, Ben. Everyone makes mistakes.
And love fixes all of them in the end.
That's right, Ruby. Love always wins.
A small misunderstanding, but a love that never breaks.